Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Ace Wallet for peer-to-peer crypto trading. To use Ace Wallet for P2P cryptocurrency trading, follow these steps. First, launch the Ace Wallet application on a device and log in using your credentials. Ace Wallet doesn't have built-in P2P marketplace, so you will need to connect with P2P platforms like local Bitcoins, Paxful, BISQ, or other trusted P2P services. Choose a reputable P2P platform that supports Ace Wallet compatible cryptocurrency, which are Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you plan to use a specific cryptocurrency for P2P trading, ensure you have a wallet set up for that currency in Ace Wallet. Click on View Assets button. Here, you can see Wallets tab. On the Wallets tab, click on plus icon. Now, select Bitcoin or Ethereum from here. Toggle the switch on and you can click on Next button. After that, click on Create Wallet. If you have an existing wallet, click on Imports Wallet button. Now, the Ethereum wallet will be created, and you can see it here. On the P2P platform, find a seller or buyer to trade with. When you are ready to receive funds, generate a receiving address from your Ace wallet. Select the wallet you want to use, which is Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet. Send this address with the buyer if you are selling crypto so they can send you the payment. If you are buying crypto and need to send funds after the seller confirms the trade, go to your wallet in Ace Wallet. Tap on Send, enter the recipient address, and specify the amount of cryptocurrency to send. For both buyer and sellers, it's important to confirm the transaction has been processed in the blockchain. You can check the transaction ID in Ace Wallet Transaction History and track it on Blockchain Explorer. When sending or receiving cryptocurrency, be aware of network fee, which may vary depending on cryptocurrency and network congestion. By following these steps, you can use Ace Wallet for P2P crypto trading securely and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.